Bookkeeping and Accountancy Standard 12. Chapter number 10, Computer in Accounting. Today we are going to learn about comparison between manual accounting process and computerized accounting process. Manual accounting and computerized accounting. First point, meaning. In manual accounting system, we maintain physical register of journal and ledger for keeping the records of each and every transactions. While in computerized accounting system, we use computer and different accounting software for digital record. Second point, calculation. In manual accounting system, all calculations are done manually, while in computerized accounting system, all the calculations are done by computer system. Next point, third point, ledger accounts. In manual accounting system, ledger accounts are prepared by posting transactions in appropriate ledger manually with the help of journal. In computerized accounting system, once the voucher is entered, it will automatically be printed. Point number 4, trial balance. In manual accounting system, we have to take the balances of all ledger account in trial balance statement, while in computerized accounting system, it will produce trial balance automatically. Next point, that is fifth point, adjustment entries record. Both adjustment journal entries and its posting in the ledger accounts will be done manually one by one. In computerized accounting system, only adjustment entries will be passed in the computerized accounting system. Posting in the ledger will be done automatically. Next point, that is 6 point, financial statements. In manual accounting system, we have to make the financial statements manually by carefully transferring trial balance figure into trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. While in computerized accounting system, financial statements will be generated automatically. Point number 7, closing the books. In manual accounting system, after the year end, accountant prepare financial statement for the accounting period. In computerized accounting system, financial reports are auto-generated for the accounting period. So, these are the comparison between manual accounting and computerized accounting process. Thank you.